Heading to Cape Nord. Partenza con la salita.
Ciao.
Ciao. So guys, I'm leaving to go pick up a friend of mine. Tomorrow we are heading to Cape Nord, and yeah, that's it. So guys, we are preparing everything, and we also got the TV, and it's going to be super amazing, guys. I'm also bringing the PS4, so we are going to play a bit, but I have to plan where to put it. Right now I'm packing all my gear for the road trip, which means all the camera gear, all the photographic gear, lights, lenses, laptops, backpacks, everything. Like 40 freaking days of photography, guys. Big backpack and the small one. Having everything on the ground, it's like a routine for me. So I can just visualize everything that I have. I can see like what is missing and what's not.
Allora, mettiamo come? Così? Così era stata fatta.
No? Quando la mattina si deve partire in bici.
So guys, good morning. It was like super cold in the night here. We are heading to Sweden, and in the middle of the day I'm going to have also a job interview. So guys, mini tour of the farm. Here we have all the cooking stuff. Here the two elders, I'm going to call them the elders. Let's go for the elders. They are sleeping here. Here we have the bathroom and also the shower. And here we have the fridge, guys, and also the PS4. Here we have like a little storage. This is the chilling area, also seats during driving. Up here all my gear stuff. This is where I'm sleeping, guys, in this beautiful spot. My traveling backpack, my seat. This is experience, guys, is literally, I don't know, I'm not like 100% already into it because I'm still routine of my life, but I'm still starting understanding that I'm on a road trip of 40 days.
E più va avanti il tempo peggio, nel senso che una volta qualcosina, ma adesso
ready for the job interview. Dio mio, lele vita. So guys, first shower experience gone, and the spaces are like super tight, so sometimes I just hit my elbow. Today we are going to arrive in Sweden.
Non è mica la boccuccia. Facessimo secondo me.
Guarda, prima di questo c'è un lago,
Ah, sì.
potrebbe esserci qualcosa.
So guys, it's early in the morning and the elders, they are preparing the bicycles. I'm waiting for them to start the trip, and then we are heading to the camping, waiting for them to complete their first ride in Sweden, guys.
Ya, in salita. Partenza con la salita.
Ciao.
Ciao.
I don't know how that guy can do that. It's like 70 years old, guys, and it's moving like better than me. Sì, 6 tazze. Freaking euros for a mocha, guys. So we were like going around all like the markets here to find a freaking mocha because we forgot it. You can't find it anywhere, and so we are inside this like IKEA shop, and yeah, we finally found a freaking mocha.
Guys, we made to the camping. My plan to have like to swim in Sweden is going to happen.
This experience is amazing, guys. These places are insanely good. I don't know, it's like super wild. Not like super wild, but you're really like, you have your spaces in contact with nature. I have like did some campings around, but like in Italy you are like 0 meters from the other camping, and right now we have like the big and enormous giant spaces. Another beautiful thing about Sweden is that everyone knows English. It's incredible. You know, my last trip was in Japan and no one was like speaking English, and here everyone, like in every shop, everything is oh my god, guys, this place, I don't know, I'm going to transfer here. So guys, we are packed, electricity is connected, and everything is good, guys. The place is amazing, the weather is perfect, guys. Like, temperature is top notch, everything is good, guys. Feeling it's something, I don't know, it's coming from my heart. I'm feeling this kind of life is my life, guys.
Com'è? Ora gas.
Allora, il purè sa di...
Quanto metro vuoi?
Che mangi di questo?
Se lo parcheggi per così, ti metti per lungo così, apriamo